Trunk is now blue. So the plan is with this stuff, there we go, that's better. That stuff, and just line it all up in there. Glue it down. What I'm going to end up doing here, see, I could lay this stuff down and keep that way. That's fine. I'm going to clamp the hose off, pull that out, and pull the hose as close to that as I can when we put the carpet in. But the blue came out okay. It looks good back here. Not bad. Not bad at all. But we'll come back when I've got the when we got the padding in. So once we have the padding in, then I can actually show you those pieces that I made that'll go on the bottom. Alright guys, we'll see you back here in a little bit. Take it easy.